Okay, what's going on, everyone? The week has ended. I did have a video planned and already edited, me talking about each and every day, like the stock market. The stock market session would be done, and then I'd come home from work and then talk about the day. And I did that all the way up till Wednesday, or no, or Thursday, something Wednesday or Thursday. But I wasn't at my main setup this weekend. I was away. So I only had my laptop, and I'm not going to record a video on my laptop because I don't have an actual mic. But for right now, since it's already Sunday and I got to go to sleep soon, it's 10 p.m., we're just going to go over it. So let's get into it. Let's see if I can try to remember. So, a quick update on my account. I had to combine two other of my accounts into my swing trading account. So that's why you see Nvidia, SPY, and this one right here, SWVXX. That's my mutual fund. Um, it's just there's only 1,200 in there. I'm just only getting like $5 every month. But yeah, so ignore Nvidia, ignore SPY, and ignore SWVXX. I did make a spreadsheet of all my open positions and all my closed positions. So let's get into that. So here are my swing positions, the stocks that I've strictly been swing trading since I started. So for GRR, YSG, QBTS, BKSY, SEI, Pays, BB, Skin, these are my open positions still. And then obviously, as you can see with these are closed. So I have my P&L percentage on all my open stocks. My year to date, I'm going to have to switch this column somewhere, but my year to date on everything, right? My open P&L, so the stocks that I still have open, these are still open. And then all my wins, all my losses, and then my net. So last week I made about 1712. My math is right. Made 1712 last week. Mind you that I still have open positions. So some of these are at break even, and I would have to check. I literally would have to check. I completely just haven't been on top of my game, but I have to see where I'm at with this. I do know YSG is at break even. Something else is at break even, man. I actually don't even know. I would have to check. Let's check. Check together. Okay. So, all right, YSG, we're already at break even with YSG. Let's go to BlackBerry. Okay. BlackBerry. Oh, I think we are at no, we aren't. So we need to hit 417 on BlackBerry. So we're not at break even on BlackBerry yet. BKSY. BKSY we're not there yet. We need to hit 1323. Oh, GRR, we're at break even. Pays, we are not at break even yet. QBTS, not at break even yet. Oh wait, are we? You know what? I think we are a break even on QBTS. All right, just double checked. Nah, we are not at break even yet on QBTS. Almost there though. Almost there. SEI. Okay, SEI, we are at break even. We hit that the same day. We hit this on the same day. Skin. The stock is a bitch, bro. We might get stopped out on this stock. Skin, we are not at break even. And okay. So YSG, we're only on break even. SEI, we are on break even. And that's about it. The rest of the stocks still got some ways to go. So yeah, the rest of the stocks still have some ways to go. And I'm pretty happy with last week, especially the ones that are still going when we have our stop at break even, so we could just sell that whenever it's ready to be sold. And that's pretty much it. So just wanted to update you guys. I will be updating this spreadsheet daily after every market close. I will update this daily. And yeah, what I think I'm going to do is, since I'm swing trading and everything happens, so much can happen in one day in the market. I'm going to be posting a video every day. So videos are coming out every day. I'll do the best I can to post them every day. And yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this quick little recap for the last week, up 17-12. I feel pretty good about it. I feel pretty good about swing trading, and we shall see what this new week brings us. I'll see y'all in the next video.